Neha, hi Pooja, how are you? Pooja, hi, I am good. What about you? Neha, I am fine. So, in which company are you working? Pooja, I am working with Google company. Neha, what is your post? Pooja, I am in the software developer. Neha, that's great. Pooja, not that great. Neha, why so? Pooja, I am not that happy with this post. Neha, which is the perfect post for you? Pooja, I like manager post than software developer. Neha, why don't you try in some other company? Pooja, I am planning to do that. Neha, there is an opening for the managerial post in Microsoft. Pooja, could you please arrange an interview for me in that company? Neha, sure, but you can also go directly for an interview. Pooja, okay, that's great. At what time do I have to go? Neha, you can go at around 11 in the morning. Pooja, okay, I will be there at 11. Neha, perfect. Pooja, please share your number. Neha, yeah, sure. Pooja, can I take your name over the phone? Neha, yeah, sure. Just tell them that you go to know about it from me. Pooja, okay. Thank you so much.